Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to download Varo Bank application on your iOS device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it's done, launch open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Varo Bank. In the search results, look for this application from Varo Money Inc. and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application. Varo Bank is known for its focus on convenience and affordability. It is a digital-only bank that offers a variety of banking services, including checking, savings, and credit cards. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you can launch it open and use it right on your mobile devices whenever you want. So that's how you can easily download Varo online banking application right on your iOS device within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.